What's going on, guys? I know it has been like 2 weeks since I put out a video, and honestly I just haven't had anything to talk about. Every time I go out to ride, I'm like, well, I don't know what to talk about. And the other problem is I haven't got to ride a whole lot the last couple of weeks either. Seems like every day I've got off it rains. So today was actually kind of nice. I got out to be actually able to ride a little bit, and I'm actually on my way to the gym, and that's really what my life has been kind of focused around the last couple of weeks, is, you know, kind of getting myself in better shape and changing my eating habits, and things have changed pretty drastically. You know, the last time I piped in, you know, I was having some health issues, and I was pushing 270 pounds and out of shape. I felt awful, and some of that subsided, and my heart flutters are dwindling down. I haven't had much of those lately, and I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I've been hitting the gym 4 days a week for the last this is going into the third week, and you know, I've cut my eating habits. Those have changed quite a bit. I've been doing intermittent fasting, so no food between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. With the occasional exception for like some Greek yogurt in the morning or something, just something to kickstart my day, because I find that I'm a lot hungrier in the morning when I don't eat after 8. So it's sometimes a little difficult for me, but usually I'll make some oatmeal or something when I get to the office, and that's usually what my breakfast consists of, and I've been pretty happy with it so far. I'm already down almost 10 pounds. I'm not exactly sure how much, just because the scale that I have at home is old and wore out, and I can stand on it 3 different times and it gives me 3 different weights. So I'm somewhere between 258 and 263, and I was at 270, so I've lost somewhere, I'd probably guess somewhere around 10 pounds or there close to. You know, I really don't get discouraged, because I weigh every day, and some days I weigh more, some days I weigh less, and that doesn't really discourage me, because I know I'm making progress. You know I'm doing everything right to lose weight, and that this isn't going to change overnight. So that doesn't really discourage me any. So I've been hitting this pretty hard. I've actually really enjoyed going to the gym. It's done wonders for my anxiety. Every time I leave the gym, I'm usually fairly relaxed. I feel pretty good. So it is very therapeutic for me, and I've kind of latched onto it. So the days, even my rest days, I even feel bad for not going those days, which sucks, because, you know, I'd like to go, but I got to give my muscles time for rest. And those are usually the days I get all my other stuff done during the week that I need to do after work and whatnot. What is this guy doing? Come on, man, pick up the pace. Whatevs, man, whatevs. Do your thing. Yeah, I'm actually on my way to the gym now. I'm going to try to get a quick workout in. Leg day for me is always kind of slow. Well, not really slow, but short, because I haven't really figured out all the exercises that I can do with my legs. Like upper body days, that usually takes me an hour, because there's a lot of upper body exercises that I can do. With my legs, I usually do 15 minutes of cardio. I do leg presses. I do, well, to be completely honest, I don't know what the hell the rest of the exercises are, but I make my legs do that, make them do that, and I make them do that. So, you know, that's kind of what I do. And I know people are looking at me weird, like, what the fuck is this guy doing with his fingers? Is he high? And I'm like, no, I'm high on life. Alright, it is time to get the workout on. Now, where the fuck can I park? Oh, I can park up there like that guy. Alright, here we go. Let's pull right on in. Skirt!
1 hour later.
Oh man, that feels good. You know, I have really fallen in love with the gym. I really have. I didn't think I would enjoy it. Because a lot of people make the gym out to be a negative thing. I'm like, you know, it's almost like a social thing to make the gym a negative place. Like, especially among people that are not in shape and they're thinking about getting in shape, or they're, you know, it's hard to explain this. Like, there's so many people that I meet that all they do is complain about going to the gym. And I'm like, man, make the gym a happy place. Because, you know, for me, like the first couple of days I went to the gym and I left, I was like, holy shit, this feels amazing. Like, I fucking love the gym. And that stayed true. Like, yeah, it can be hard work, but I mean, you get music on, and like a playlist, or, you know, having somebody to go with you can be your best friend. Like, I don't have anybody to train with. So my best friend right now is having a good playlist. You know, and that's one thing I've seen. There's no right or wrong way to go to the gym. As long as your form is right, the weight is less important, but you've got to push yourself. You've got to know your limits and just work within those confines and reevaluate them from time to time. And that's what I've been doing. I've been seeing amazing results. I'm already down 10 pounds. And for me, leaving the gym, you know, after a fucking good workout, man, it feels a lot like this. Yeah, that's how the fuck that feels, and it feels amazing. I love going to the gym now. It's like one of my favorite things to do, and I'm hoping it stays that way, because even when I don't feel like going, I'm like, no, I need to go. I enjoy it when I'm there. I feel better when I'm there. You know, even if I get there, I'm super tired, I at least try to get in a short workout. If I don't have the energy to go the entire, 45 minutes or hour that I normally do, I'm at least going to get in there, do 10 minutes on the treadmill, and get at least 20 minutes working out on the weights. You know, if nothing else, it's habit building. Even if that's not a very productive session, it's productive in the manner that I'm building those habits. And that's what I've got to do right now, is make sure that those habits get built so I continue going and continue on this journey, because so far I've been loving it so far. I've had such good success, and that's why I just enjoy it. So, but anyway, guys, that's kind of what's been going on with me. I might be getting a new car. I actually bought a Mini Cooper. Yes, I like Mini Coopers, leave me alone. I actually bought one like 2 weeks ago, and I actually bought it, signed the paperwork. It was relatively cheap. It was only like $5,000. But I bought it, and then I got in the car to leave the dealership, and the electrical started going haywire on me. It started acting real weird. Like, all kinds of warning lights and stuff started flashing. The air conditioner wouldn't come on. It was a mess. So I went back and got my sales lady. I'm like, hey, what the hell? And she's like, I don't know what's going on. She's like, well, do you want to take it home with you, or do you want to leave it here and let the mechanics check it out? I'm like, nope, I'm going to keep this right here, and when it's ready, you call me. Well, the next day they called me. She's like, yeah, the electrical's got a short in it somewhere. There's something wrong. We're not sure what, and we're not going to put any more money into it. I say, you know what, that's fine. We'll just cancel it out. So that didn't work out, but I went and found the exact same one, a little newer with a few thousand more miles on it, but it was more expensive. And I went down to the dealership. We battled it out over the price, and they just couldn't get to where I wanted to be. They just couldn't make the deal happen. I'm like, you know what, that's fine. There's another one I'm going to look at across town anyway. If something changes, give me a call. And they were playing hardball. I mean, I know all the tricks when it comes to car salesmen. I get what they're trying to do, and I get the tricks and whatnot, but when I go in, I've been burned on car deals before. I know what the hell I want and what I'm looking for. But anyway, they called me back like a week later after I walked out on them. They actually called me today, which is today's Saturday, and said, hey, you want to give us another shot? We still got our Mini. I'm like, yeah, you fuckers couldn't sell it over the Memorial Day weekend like I thought y'all could. So now y'all going to get me what I want. So I said, yeah, go ahead and try. This is what I want. This is the parameters you have to work with. And they called me back a few hours later. It's like, you know, we got a nibble on it. We might be able to make this work. But we won't know for sure until Monday once the banks open it up. I'm like, all right, give me a call Monday. We'll see. So maybe tomorrow I'll have a new car, or Monday I'll have a new car. But anyway, guys, it's been fun. Y'all have a good one. I will see y'all in the next video.